Amazon has just rolled out a refreshed version of its Kindle Scribe, and while it may not be a complete redesign or a massive leap forward, it introduces a sleek new look along with several impressive software enhancements. Whether you're a longtime Kindle fan or just hearing about the Scribe for the first time, let's dive into what's new with this updated device and explore the exciting features that might catch you off guard. The first thing you'll notice is the updated design. The most striking visual change is the new white borders surrounding the display, replacing the previously standard black bezel. This design choice creates a more immersive feel, as it gives off the impression that the screen extends from edge to edge, depending on your perspective. Along with that, the left side bezel has been slimmed down, giving the Scribe a cleaner, more refined aesthetic that feels more premium than ever before. As for the screen itself, it's still a 10.2-inch display with that crisp 300 ppi resolution that Kindle users have come to love, ensuring text is sharp and clear. But what truly elevates the experience this time around is the overall smoothness. If you felt any lag while writing or interacting with the previous model, Amazon seems to have addressed that issue. The gap between the glass and the e-ink surface is now smaller, making the writing experience feel more immediate and responsive, which many users will appreciate. But the real magic lies in the software updates. Amazon has integrated AI-powered notebook features that take note-taking to a whole new level. These new tools allow you to refine your handwritten notes, summarize them with ease, and even convert them into a clean, typed font. This is ideal for those who prefer a neat, organized look or for sharing notes with others in a more polished format. One of the standout features is the new Active Canvas, which allows you to write directly on the pages of the book you're reading. The text intelligently wraps around your handwritten notes, keeping everything looking neat and well organized, perfect for annotations, studying, or adding personal insights as you read. Beyond that, the Kindle Scribe is packed with a host of other productivity tools. You can now highlight passages, search for specific sections of text, and quickly look up words using the integrated dictionary, which provides instant definitions with just a tap. If you like to jump between different sections of a book, the enhanced table of contents and virtual outline make navigating through chapters faster and more intuitive. The premium pen, which is included with the Kindle Scribe, has also been upgraded. It now features a customizable shortcut button, allowing you to assign quick access functions, and comes with a soft tip eraser for easy corrections. One practical improvement is that the stylus now magnetically attaches to the right side of the Scribe, so you no longer have to worry about misplacing it. However, it's worth mentioning that the stylus is still not pressure sensitive, so artists or users hoping for more dynamic pen inputs may be slightly disappointed. For those who enjoy multitasking, the Kindle Scribe has Bluetooth support, so you can pair wireless headphones, earbuds, or even a speaker to listen to audiobooks or podcasts. While the audio experience is functional, it's fairly basic. It won't blow you away, but it gets the job done when you need it. When it comes to storage, Amazon is offering 3 options: 16 gigabytes, 32 gigabytes, and 64 gigabytes, depending on how much space you need for books, notes, and other content. Unfortunately, there's still no support for Wi-Fi 6, but on the bright side, the premium pen is included with the Scribe at no extra cost. The device charges via USB-C at 9 watts, which isn't particularly fast, but it should be sufficient for most users. In terms of color options, the updated Scribe comes in tungsten, a sleek gray, and a new, attractive green shade called Metallic Jade, which includes a matching stylus. However, all these new features come at a slightly higher price. The refreshed Kindle Scribe starts at $399, which is a bit more expensive than last year's model that launched at $339. For those who are keen on spending the extra cash, the 2022 version of the Scribe is still available, providing a more affordable option. But if you're eager to get your hands on the latest model, pre-orders are open now, and the official release date is set for December 4th. So what's your take on the updated Kindle Scribe? Do these new features and design changes have you excited? Or do you think the previous version is still a better deal? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth tech breakdowns. See you in the next one.